Hey, this is Jackie Wilson with Enterprise Investment Management. I want to give a shout out to Rena Thompson with the Fund&Grow group. They have been fantastic relating to servicing me. I got into the program. Everything went the way it should have went, the way they said it would go. I got a call from them after I signed up. Shortly thereafter, I got a call from Retrina Thomas, very nice young lady. She informed me as to how it would work and what would happen, and everything she said happened quickly, professional. Every time I call them, they're there to help. Many times it's through text and email, but they have a great program. I recommend it. I give it 5 stars. I'm excited about funding growth. I'm excited about what I'm able to do through funding growth with the resources that's been made available to me. So, do I recommend them? I highly recommend them. If you're starting out or if you've been in business for a while, funding growth is the way to go. Thank you. Have a great day. Make it your best.